Welcome to Trickey's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Trickey will show you how to make Chinese orange chicken. This is a delicious citrus chicken recipe made with crisp fried chicken bites that are smothered in a sticky, sweet and tangy orange glaze. It's an easy recipe to prepare, so why not create your own Chinese orange chicken at home and give your family something they will really enjoy. So let's get started with the ingredients. The ingredients for the pre-seasoning and the ingredients for the coating. Please make sure you're using freshly ground pepper powder. And now the ingredients for the orange sauce and the ingredients for frying. Again, please make sure you're using freshly squeezed orange juice. The method. Let's pre-season the chicken. So cut the boneless skinless chicken into bite-sized pieces. Now sprinkle with salt and pepper powder. Then mix and set it aside. Now let's prepare the coating. So whisk the egg in a large mixing bowl. Add the oil, corn flour and plain flour. And continue to whisk. Now add in water a little at a time and continue whisking until you have a thick batter. With the batter ready, let's coat the chicken. So add in the chicken pieces and mix well. When the pieces are well coated, set it aside for 20 to 30 minutes. Remember, the longer you marinate, the better. Now let's prepare the orange sauce mixture. So add the water to the cornstarch, then mix and set aside. Now add in all the ingredients for the orange sauce to a bowl or a jug. That's the freshly squeezed orange juice, dark soy sauce, light brown sugar, orange zest, chili flakes, rice wine vinegar and cornstarch mixture. Mix until well combined. This is a good time to taste. So taste the sauce and increase the quantity of the ingredients to suit your personal taste and preference. Then set it aside. Now let's fry the chicken. So heat oil in a large frying pan and fry the coated chicken for a few minutes until cooked, crispy and light golden brown. Then remove from the oil when done and transfer to cooling rack. Drain on a kitchen towel. Now repeat the previous step and fry the remaining chicken pieces in batches. When the chicken pieces have turned crispy and light golden brown, remove from the oil, transfer to a cooling rack and drain on a kitchen towel. We've now come to the final stage, so let's make the orange chicken. So heat oil in the wok, add in the garlic and ginger and fry for a few seconds. Now add in the orange sauce mixture that we had prepared in one of the earlier steps and cook it on medium heat until it thickens. Now add the fried chicken to the thickened orange sauce and toss until it is well glazed and fully coated. Finally, garnish with chopped spring onions and sesame seeds. The optional step is add spicy chili sauce and sprinkle with chili flakes if you want to make the dish even more spicy. Then transfer to a serving plate and serve with boiled rice or egg fried rice. And there you have it, a delicious Chinese orange chicken that you can prepare at home and give your family something that they will really enjoy. So thank you for stopping by. Do hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you try, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Trickey's Kitchen has lots of other delicious recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video, and subscribe to Trickey's Kitchen if you haven't yet for more delicious recipes.